Hey everybody, Shav Nobody Else's Auto. Gonna check out some more cool new inventory tonight. 1955 Oldsmobile 88. This car is just a 4-door. It's been sitting for a long time. Just drug it in out of some trees. But I don't have any mid-50s Oldsmobiles. I've been real thin on Oldsmobiles in the 50s actually. So always glad to add something new to inventory, something different that I didn't have before. So this 55 88, like I said, it's a regular 4-door sedan. We can see right here it was last tagged in 76. So this car's been parked for a long time. It was wrecked in the front end years ago, probably when it was parked, probably in 76. This is a regular 88 sedan, but it's got some very, very interesting options on it. The car's, for the most part, still pretty much intact. A lot of the trim is here. Got these super cool 88 medallions on the doors. Take a peek inside of this thing. Like I said, I just drug this thing out of some trees. Lots of limbs, branches, things like that in it. Upholstery is all shot, but the dash and everything is all still intact. Original radio, things like that's all still there. Got the globe in the center of the steering wheel. We can see down there on the brake pedal, the car even had factory power brakes. And something else kind of interesting, this car actually had front power windows. Just in the front and just the regular windows. Now the rears were still manual. This door's stuck, we can't get it open, but the rears were manual, the fronts were powered, 2-gang power switch for the front windows. Really interesting feature to have power on the front and not on the back. This car even actually had a power seat as well. We can still see the little seat switch on the side. So we had front power windows and a power seat, power brake. We see a really interesting mirror on the side here. I don't think this was a factory accessory. Could have been, but I'm not 100% sure. But it mounts right here. It's got this super cool plate, and maybe this was factory. I'm not sure, because this plate fits the car that holds the mirror onto the edge of the door. Super cool swan type arm on the mirror. Neat looking piece. Something else interesting, factory spotlight. We can see the handle inside the car right here. Out here, we see the factory mounting plate as it comes through. And we can look out here on the front of it. We can still see the guide bulb in the spotlight. So another very interesting piece. We'll come around the front of the car here. And this is where the car was damaged. It was hit in the right front corner over here years and years ago, probably when it was parked. The left front wheel that's missing is actually still sitting on top of the car. Now, I didn't haul it in that way. It wasn't safe to haul it. When I got it unloaded, I figured that wheel had been sitting there for decades, so I just put it right back in the same spot as where I found it. So there's the other tire and wheel, still has the original hubcap on it. Now, the front bumper's obviously been up, some damage to the fender, but we've still got a lot of the other trim here. We've got these moldings, we've got the headlight bezels, we got the globe on the front, and then, of course, the iconic Rocket Oldsmobile hood ornament. Now, under the hood of this thing, we do see our Rocket V8. Was originally a 4-barrel. We see remnants of being in the trees for years. Along with our power brakes, we've also got factory power steering. So considering this car was an 88 and not a 98, really a loaded up car. We get back, come over here to the passenger side, we can see our damage a little bit more on this right front corner. But the rest of this car is pretty good. We got rust in the fenders and rockers, but the rest of the trim is here. We'll even look, the car still has both original hubcaps on this side. So, a very unique car. You know, all this trim's here, this trim's good, the badges, all kinds of cool stuff. We can take a peek right inside over here. We can see the factory clock. Right there on the passenger side is even still there. And as we work away on around the back, we get right back here to where we started, and we can see all still intact. We see our license plate from 1976. The tail lights are here, the backup lights are there, and even the super cool globe and the Rocket 88 on the trunk. So, neat old car. Weird car, but a neat old car. you walk up to it, it looks like a regular green 88 sedan. And then we see the factory spotlight, the power steering, the power brakes, the front power windows, 4-barrel, all kinds of cool accessories on a regular old 88. Not uncommon to find that stuff on a 98, but not quite as common on an 88. So neat old car, and I hope you guys like checking it out with me. So if you're on YouTube, please check out my other channel. You like old cars, you like old trucks, you see all these cars and trucks behind us. We've got 1,500 of them on the ground right now. Be sure to check out my channel and check out all the other old videos we do on cars, trucks, memorabilia, gas and oil, all that type of stuff. If you like it, please subscribe. And be sure to click that notification button as well, so you know when I post a new video or when we're going live, because we do a lot of live cool stuff too. So if you're on Facebook, please share this video with your friends. Invite them to come over and give the page a like so they can hang out with us as well. Now, if you've got questions about this Oldsmobile or any of the other 1,500 cars and trucks we've got on the ground right now, the only way to get a hold of me is to call me, 620-786-4428. That number is on the page in the text part. Give me a shout so we can have a short conversation about your project, year, make, model, body style, all those details. I've got so much inventory here that I need a lot of those details to be able to know if I've got something here that may or may not be able to help you out with your project. Or if you're looking for a specific project, that information is what I need to know if I may have something here that might be a possibility for you. So as always, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the old Oldsmobile as much as I did finding it and bringing it in. And hope you guys like checking it out as well. Stay tuned. Lots more cool stuff coming up. Tons more cool old iron. Hope you like this one and stay tuned for the next one. We hope to see you soon on the next video.